Hi there, my name is Gisele from Florida SEO Pro. In this quick video, I'm going to go over some tips and tricks you can start your lives to help you bring more customers to your business by access your website more. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is your website. Just scanning through, I like that you have your click-to-call number here. That really helps with quick conversions. You have pictures and some content. One thing with Google is that they like to see anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words, just depending on the competition, and the number of keywords on a home page. Keywords, anything someone may type in Google, look for a particular product or service. So on your content, you can intentionally place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found when people are searching for it. All your pictures can be considered a content, so recommend saving those as a keyword. Now I went ahead and I inserted your website into a tool we call Ahrefs. It just gives us a basic analytical view of your site. The first thing that you look at is your UR and the DR. That means the power and the trust that you have with Google. Anywhere between 30 and 40 is considered a strong site. So if it's on the low end and you realize some of these tips, it'll help you boost your numbers and allow Google to trust you more. Right now we have 73 backlinks coming from 13 referring domains or websites. A backlink is anywhere I find one website linked to another via link or text. These links act like an endorsement of a site from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Currently, you index for 47 keywords and getting about 185 hits to your website a month. Let's take a look at your keywords. Like people are searching for a business name in particular, and they're great local by intent keywords, and those are kind of the ones that we inquire about. The local by intent keywords target the location that is the service that you provide in those locations, so you can clearly realize the foreign location that you service. In comparison, I went ahead and I typed mechanic in your area in Google. What you see here, it's what you call the map pack, and down here is what you call the organic listings. Ultimately, you want to be in the map pack. It's just that because the top 3 searches on Google result page receive 75% of the clicks. In other words, if your business appears near the top of the results, it's more likely that a researcher interact with your business by clicking on your URL, dial your listed phone number, or getting directions to your business. And there are the citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, number, and the address are shown exactly as per Google Business Profile. Those are then placed in various directories, such as Yelp, Better Business Beetle, Yellow Pages. I went ahead and I pulled up a competitor's website. They have their click-to-call phone number here, request an appointment tab, some images, and content. I inserted them into the same tool. They are getting about 857 hits to their website a month. They have 495 backlinks coming from 201 referring domains. In the long run, you want to match them and beat them for at least 100. Let's take a look at their keywords. People are also searching for their business name in particular. They have a bit of local by intent keywords. Those are all keywords you can realize in different areas of service too. In conclusion, there's a high percent of people that don't scroll past the first page of Google. You surely want to be in those top sites. Now implement this strategy. A few ways that you can start claiming Google and get the first page. I hope you found this video very educational. If you have any questions, just let us know. We look forward to hearing from you. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day and thanks for watching.